Hello friends, in last lecture we discussed about some formulas and their derivations of inverse trigonometric functions. What are those formulas? Derivative of d dx of sine inverse of x is equal to 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. D dx of cos inverse of x is equal to minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of d dx of tan inverse of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square, and d dx of cot inverse of x is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Like that we can solve some questions. Now these are the basic fundamental formulas regarding the inverse functions. With the help of this formula and the composite function, we can solve more number of examples. Let's see. Find derivative of sine inverse of 1 plus x. Now we know that the formula d dx of sine inverse of x is minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x. Now we can use the formula let y is equal to sine inverse of 1 plus x square. Then differentiating with respect to x, we are getting 1 upon under root of 1 minus 1 plus x square whole the bracket square into d dx of 1 plus x square. And next we can simplify this under root of 1 minus 1 plus x square whole the bracket square. We can apply this a plus b whole the bracket square here. Derivative of 1 is 0 and this x square is what? X. We have to use simple composite rule or chain rule here to solve. Next is cos inverse of log x. First step is let y is equal to the cos inverse of log x. While differentiating dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus log x whole the bracket square into d dx of log x. What are you getting? Minus 1 upon 1 minus log x whole the bracket square. What is the rate of log x? 1 upon x. This is simple way to solve the inverse function. Next we are going to start tan inverse of root x. This is one question. Also there is one question. Sine inverse of e raised to 2x. We have to solve this question. Let y is equal to the sine inverse of e raised to 2x. Then differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx, sine inverse of x derivative 1 upon under root of 1 minus e raised to 2x whole the bracket square into chain part d dx of e raised to 2x. Okay. As it is step 1 upon 1 minus e raised to 2x whole the bracket square, e raised to 2x derivative e raised to 2x, again one chain part d dx of 2x. This is your answer. What is the derivative of 2x is? We can solve this. I am going to repeat once again. We have to find the value answer of sine inverse of e raised to 2x. Here y is equal to sine inverse of e raised to 2x. What are you getting? Dy by dx. What is the derivative of sine inverse of x? 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. What is the x? E raised to 2x whole the bracket square. Chain part again e raised to 2x derivative. Again this is here e raised to 2x derivative e raised to 2x into d dx of 2x, d dx of 2x is what? This is your last solution. Like that way, we can solve more number of questions regarding the inverse function. Next question we are going to take. Cosec inverse of e raised to minus x. We can solve this question by, suppose let y is equal to cosec inverse of e raised to minus x. It means that cosec inverse of 1 upon e raised to x, or instead of cosec we are getting sine inverse. Y is equal to the sine inverse of माइनस इथे परत माइनस लागेल, माइनस इथे माइनसच राहील, e raised to what? x. बघा, let's see, I'm going to check. The cosec inverse is replaced by sine inverse, so angle is reciprocal 1 upon e raised to minus x. Again, y sine inverse as it is 1 upon e raised to minus x is e raised to x. We are going to differentiate dy by dx sine inverse of x 1 upon under root of 1 minus e raised to x whole the bracket square to d dx of e raised to x. And next step, this is your answer. And what is e raised to x related to? This is all about the derivative of some inverse functions. Cot inverse 4 raised to the x. Let y is equal to the cot inverse of 4 raised to x. Now, what is the derivative of cot inverse of x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Then dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus 4x square into d dx of 4 raised to the x, sorry, minus 1 upon 1 plus 4 raised to x whole the bracket square. What is d dx of 4 raised to x? 4 raised to x into log of, this is what your dy by, this is your chain part. Like that we use this formula here. Okay, simply you must check, you have to differentiate with respect to x. So where is x? There is also x. But what is the derivative of cot inverse of x? 1 upon 1 plus x square d dx of 4 raised to x. Very simple. Next question. These are some fundamental questions of inverse function. These questions are asked for 2 marks in board exam. For the board exam, 2 marks question. Next question is cos inverse of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse of 1 minus x square. Let y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square. We are going to differentiate dy by dx minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square whole the bracket square. What is the derivative of cos inverse of x? Minus 1 upon 1 minus x square plus x square. What is this? 1 upon 1 minus x square or plus x square, minus or plus. You must take care, you have to say What is derivative? 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square or 1 plus x square? You must check. Okay. So what is getting? Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus. You have change part is d dx of 1 minus x square. Now next step, we can solve this. And what is our derivative of 1? 0. X square is minus 2. This is simple. Very simple question these are. You must take care of those things that what is the exact solution. Okay. The next question is sin inverse of x raised to 2 by 3. Y is equal to sin inverse of x raised to 2 by 3. Getting dy by dx 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square into d dx of x raised to 2 by 3. 1 upon under root of 1 minus x raised to 2 by 3 and d dx of x raised to 2 by 3 what? 2 by 3 x raised to 2 by 3 minus 1. Here you use x raised to n formula, n x raised to the n minus 1. Okay. Here is square is 2 to the 4 by 6. Okay. Next question is very simple. Okay. Now some fundamental formulas of this. Sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. Sin inverse of sin theta क्या रहता है दोस्तों? थीटा. Cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is equal to रहता है दोस्तों also theta. साइन इनवर्स के लिए साइन आ गया तो थीटा हो जाएगा. कॉस इनवर्स के लिए कॉस आएगा तो थीटा हो जाएगा. tan इनवर्स के लिए tan आ गया तो क्या हो जाएगा दोस्तों? थीटा. Like that way. Cot inverse of theta, cot theta is also theta. Sec inverse of sec theta is also theta. And cosec inverse of cosec theta is also theta. ठीक है दोस्तों? What is the angle? Theta. And tan degrees. Now, in exam, there are another types of questions. Like, if I have to find the sin inverse of cos theta, then how can I find? Let's see. We must know cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Here, can I put sin inverse of sin of pi by 2 minus theta instead of cos theta? Then sin inverse of sin theta क्या रहता है दोस्तों? Again theta. We getting pi by 2 minus theta. Like that way, we can solve number of questions. Or here is sin, here is cos. How we can convert sin into sin, cos into sin, sin into cos. There is also difference of 90 minus theta. Now next question is differentiate y is equal to sin inverse of sin theta. Now differentiating with respect to theta. Before that we know that sin inverse of theta is equal to theta and dy by d theta is derivatives. Sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta and dy by d theta is equal to. Okay. Next term is cos inverse of x cube. Cos inverse of cos of x cube. Let y is equal to the cos inverse of x cube. Theta is what? X cube. Then y is equal to cos inverse of cos theta is theta. Then we are going to differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to what? 3x. Like that way we can solve more examples, or these are the fundamental examples. Cos inverse of cos theta is theta, like that way cos inverse of cos x cube, x cube. Then we can solve number of examples. We are going to take also one examples. Sine inverse of sine of root x. Let y is equal to sine inverse of sine of root x. Definitely y is equal to root x and dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. These are the important questions. Okay. Now we are going to take one example also. This is the fundamental. Now this is one important sum regarding the next question is find the derivative of cos inverse of under root of 1 plus cos x upon 2. Let y is equal to the cos inverse of under root of 1 plus cos x upon 2. Here the basic or important step, we have to convert this particular type into the cos. Now how we can solve this question? Let's see. Y is equal to the cos inverse. Now we know that the formula 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. This is half angle formula. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Like that way, 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 upon 2. In next step, this 2 get cancelled. What are you getting? Y is equal to cos inverse of under root of cos square x by 2. Now, let's see. Y is equal to cos inverse of square and square will cancel. What are you getting? X by 2 or cos x by 2. What is the answer? Cos inverse of cos theta is again theta. Now what is the derivative? dy by dx, x by 2 का derivative. This is 1 by. This is the one of the not fundamental, but how to change the 1 plus cos into the angle, another angle. 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. Here is also one trigonometric formula. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos of theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Or also you can change this. These formulas are used to convert the inverse function to the specific trigonometric function. Okay, we are going to stop here today, dosto. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.